Hello, my friends. Christopher Baroulette with the Baroulette Collection at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I am here with another great new construction opportunity in sunny Harmony, Florida. Today, August 22nd, 2021, we are going to be taking a look at what's available for a brand new multi-generational community called the Enclave. It is surrounded by some great amenities and community features as it is located right in the heart of Harmony. For those just learning about Harmony, Florida, it is a small township in St. Cloud, about 9 miles east of the corner of Narcoossee Road and US 192. Highly rated schools, a community with different activities, walking trails, golf, and much more. I'll be sure to detail that in the description for you. Jones Homes USA as a builder is known for their luxury standards and finishes available throughout all of their homes. They want you to have the same feel walking into your newly built home as you do when you walk through the model. So they include many of the features that others do not. When visiting their communities, you can always expect to find a model that will depict the community standard features. I'm going to give you some footage of that so you can have an idea of what to expect. Behind me is the Eola, and it is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, and just under 1,900 square feet. Currently, the starting price at the time of filming, before your lot, structural design, those kind of stuff, is in the upper $300,000 range. Now, I chose to feature this home as the 4-bedroom, 1,900 square foot home seems to be a sweet spot, as it is the most highly requested home that I get. The Eola is like most Jones homes, as it's 3 distinct elevations to choose from. None are alike, but still that signature Jones home style. So let's go ahead and pop into the Eola and let's see what you think of the layout. Upon walking up, the Eola has a great curb appeal, I think, even for a more, I guess you could say, maybe basic home. It's nice and wide. I love the garage, the lines that they've done, the different trims and stuff to give it just a little bit of distinction. As remember that they do have 3 different elevations that'll kind of give it a little bit of a change in style and everything, so it can kind of make it yours. Don't forget your pavers are going to be standard for your driveway and your walkways up as well. So that's always going to be something that you'll find here with Jones Homes. All right, very nice overall. Let's head on in. I do like the front door area, kind of recessed. Again, nice, large, tall door, giving you another idea of one that you can have, maybe with just a kind of window up at the top like that. So I really do enjoy that type of door and style. So let's pop on in and see what you think overall. All right, now great front foyer area, and definitely lots of room. It goes kind of right into the open area, so you just kind of have this room to the right here, and then it goes straight into the open flow and straight to open up the area. So have a lot of you have a lot of wall kind of on this side here, all the way down to the hallway there. So they've done a nice large piece with a mirror and some prints. So just give you an idea, but you definitely want to have some thoughts on what you want to do for this long wall, maybe something up front here, something different down towards that end. But they've got that and then into the open flow, but we'll get to that shortly. Let's head on into this bedroom and show you what we've got. Now, love the window in here, nice large size. So if you do make it an office like they have here, I think it would be absolutely great. But of course, it depends on your needs. I really love what they've done with the gray kind of trims and doors all around. I think it's a really nice look overall for this home, and it makes it different than what you see in some other homes typically, or what you see around a lot of people. So there's ways and ideas for you to do something that's going to be different for you. So I like the size in here. As you can see, they can fit the desk, furniture nice and easy. It does have a closet, so if it's bedroom, I think it's going to work just perfectly as that as well. So you have that right up front here. back out into the hallway, and like I said, it goes right into the kind of open flow of the kind of kitchen to dining to gathering area. I love the dark colors in here, so now giving you some ideas on if you want to do, you know, dark colored cabinets and things with light countertops and light floors. So just giving you some different ideas to show you. Let's dive on into the kitchen. I think it's an absolutely phenomenal setup. Just kind of as it goes, you know, down. But what I really think is the real star of it is the island. As you can see, it's a nice large size. You can definitely seat some people all around. So they kind of have 4 in, not just in across the front, which is, you know, what we see typically, but because they kind of have these legs for support, they've done it where you got to have 2 here, and then you can have a person on this end and a person on this end. And because it's so big, it's absolutely perfect. So for those of us that like to entertain, you can already see the people gathered around it. It would absolutely be perfect. I love this little kind of nook right here, just with the refrigerators, perfect. Lots of cabinet space, I think, so you'll have a great setup. And I've done love what they've done with the 2 glass ones on the sides here, kind of showing you some different ways that you can do the display cabinets that they have available. So your stainless steel appliances, again, the option of gourmet kitchen is available to you, but you'll have your stainless steel standard. You got a slight walk-in pantry, nothing too huge, but will definitely get the job done for you. And of course, in the combination, don't forget that the island itself, Scott, has some cabinets for you as well. Kind of split up the function of the kitchen, putting the washer and the sink over on this side with more cabinets. So it just will, you know, overall, a great kitchen with the added features for you. All right, the dining area, very nice. On this one, again, I think you could fit something bigger. There's plenty of room here between the kind of the dining windows, we should probably call it at this point, some of the typical that we find. But I love, again, that it's double, nice and large size for that good light. So the dining area here, I think there's plenty of room that you could have a larger table. This seats 6, something up to 8, especially even on this side, there's still a lot of room to walk through and kind of do that. So I think, you know, depending on what you want to do, what you want to have, it's a perfect space for that casual dining area. All right. So also, you know what I forgot to mention, don't forget that those pendant lights, that backsplash that you see in the kitchen here, those are going to be standard features that you find with Jones Homes USA. All right. They're also showing you this marble countertop as well, so that if you want to go higher level than, let's say, like, you know, your granite and your quartz, you can have an upgrade to that countertop as well that you're seeing throughout. So just a great flow all the way through from kitchen to dining and then on into the family gathering room. So great size. You kind of right over there have a door into the primary bed, so it's very nice. You can see a nice large wall unit, darker colors giving you that ideas on what you can do for that, but here you can kind of see the size and what's available to you as far as that wall and kind of setting up the entertainment area. And then the couch, other furniture, as you can see, provide plenty of room for whatever you may want to do in the gathering room here. Now, primary hallway. Oh, I think we should definitely got to go down the hallway. We'll save that primary for last. Let's do it. All right. So we're heading on into the laundry room. Again, something you're always going to find with Jones Homes. You got your utility sink. You have enough room. Adding the cabinets up top. Definitely a recommendation from me. I think when folks are coming into your home, potentially in resale area, that it's going to look great and be a great feel, plus giving you the added storage that you may need in the laundry area. Now, this door here is going to be heading on into the garage. So this is how you'll get it into the garage area. Just typical, you know, 2-car garage, water heater. All right. So you'll do that here. I think overall it's a great, size for the size of home, the laundry room that I would expect. You've got enough room for the machines, sink, and just with some cabinets up above will give you probably all the storage you need for some supplies and cleaning products, things like that. All right, on into the next bedroom here. All right, so great size. You know, it's got for, you know, your furniture thing, but, you know, depending, I know, you know, not looking for a massively large room here. Just want something that's going to fit all the needs. Good window for some good light. And closet is that typical size that we kind of see, you know, doors that slide there, so you see that. Again, I really do enjoy these gray trims. They are such a different look with the door. They've got it on the door trims as well as on the baseboards. So you can kind of see over there down on the floor. They've got them along on the baseboards as well. So it's just really different. The framing of the doors is slightly different here. So just showing you some of the things and giving you ideas on what you can do to really separate your home and set it aside from others. So on to the next bedroom. I kind of like the way they have this hub system here, kind of the hallway sets these rooms off to the side. They're kind of all, right around each other, and it's very nice. The bathroom then is easy, for access, putting things in the laundry room, all that kind of stuff. It's right there. So great size room just for you to get a feel for that. Of course, I will have those dimensions for you. Let's head on into the bathroom. Hey folks, how you doing? All right, so as you can see, just showing you some of the cabinetry hardware, giving examples of that. If you're going to go with a coarse countertop, a really high level kind of faucet that has that kind of fancier style to dispense, so it's really awesome. I love the, again, tile up into the shower all the way to the ceiling, offering a great, kind of rain shower head availability, upgraded hardware, faucet, again, handle, whatever that you may want. They're gonna have some great options available, but even what's standard, having like a little kind of area there, nook, and the tile all the way to the ceiling is absolutely phenomenal. Love this bathroom. All right, so now let's head on and take a look at the primary. Now, please make sure you do subscribe with us so that you can stay up to date with all that is available. New construction, homes, Central Florida. We are going to be here for you in real estate. All right, now right outside the primary is the AC unit. So this is where you're gonna do your kind of maintenancing and make sure that your AC is running the absolute best. You're gonna need to do that in here. Stay tuned with me. I'm gonna be having a video that's gonna show you folks how we take care of our AC units down here in Florida as we run those pretty much 24/7. All right, I love this primary. Look at that. Now, I didn't have my favorite window above the bed, my signature kind of, not my signature, sorry, their kind of signature window above that I really love for having the natural light. But the two windows I think here do a great job. And that's probably something that's more typical of what you see in other styles of homes. They usually have like the bed and then two windows on each side. So you got that here. I think with a kind of give you an idea on the room as far as like the night tables, king size bed and the spacing in between the bed and the dresser there. So that shows you how much space you kind of really have. Not added extras like seating area or things like that, but still a great size. Now on into your primary closet. Again, I think a great size, but always will capitalize and be absolutely use the best when you do a custom setup so that they can get all the sections and things that you need. So definitely a recommendation by me to consider. I think it's the best way to use your closet space. They'll have, areas down below, areas above, different sections, all organized for you to use their closet space very well. Then on into the primary bath. I really, again, enjoy what they're offering as far as the upgrades, luxury touches, and feels. This is what Jones Home does. So great distance between, the two sinks. You have a little bit of countertop stuff to put your place. Showing you some of that cabinetry, very nice. And then into the shower, as you can see, again, tile up to the ceiling and a great setup overall. So let's see, close this door here and we'll pop one in. Love the frameless shower, and I think that's probably one of the hottest things right now, just depending on the design or what you may have, but the frameless shower is absolutely beautiful. So this is really nice here, and showing you the shower head and tile all the way up to the ceiling. Absolutely phenomenal. All right, so I think our last to do, and actually, yeah, you have your commode there, so kind of separated by that door. Always a great feature. This is definitely one of my wife's favorites. She likes to make sure we have a door there. So yes, let's pop on out to the back patio and kind of see what you got going on in there. Now they do offer one option in this home particularly. So looking at what you've got here, heading out to the back patio, you've got a sliding glass door and you got a double window off to the right. You actually have the option of changing that into a second sliding glass door. So if you'd like that, you could have that done as well, just right off the gathering room. So we're gonna heading out to the covered lanai. The actual standard is going to be right at the edge of the home right there. So as you can see with that column coming down. So it is a great space, I think. Honestly, you've got enough for some furniture, could have a seating area. You don't have to set up exactly like this. I think you could shift this over a little bit and still have something of a room for like a table and others. They also added in some extra to kind of show you and give you some ideas, options, again, on things that you can do. Adding in nice plants, seating area, a water feature, pergola, so you can kind of create your kind of backyard oasis. And it isn't always about a pool. It can be something different. So I really like the option of having that as well. So overall, great size, as you can see on the cover lanai. It's perfect for getting out and enjoying our outdoor weather. All right, my friends, that was the Eola. I really hope that you enjoyed this plan. I did. I think that it is great, again, for the 4-bedroom, 1,900 square feet that really spreads out the house well. This is what folks say they really enjoy as far as the spacing. I love this island here. It is absolutely huge. I love the size of it for the kitchen. Superb for entertaining. And they've shown you some of what you can do with the darker looks, grays on the trims, and the darker look in the kitchen and in the gathering room. So for those who like that style, I think it's absolutely perfect. If you'd like any other information on this home or any other home in the Central Florida area, please give us a call at 407-325-4904. You can search homes directly at jointhecollection.com. All right, I will see you in the next one. As always, I invite you to join the collection.